There are smoke alarms available that are specifically designed for different areas of your home. A bedroom alarm features a 10-year lithium-ion battery, so you'll never be awakened by a low battery chirping sound in the middle of the night. It also features a voice alarm to help raise you from your sleep. Alarms designed for kitchen use feature a combination alarm that detects both smoke and carbon monoxide. It also has a unique sensor that detects real fires faster while reducing nuisance alarms. And all alarms also have a hush button that allows you to temporarily silence nuisance alarms. It's a good idea once a year to clean each alarm with a vacuum. This will remove any dust or particles that may have accumulated in the unit that will affect its performance. Also check the manufacturer date on each unit and replace them once they reach their expiration date. Some smoke alarms have a service life of 10 years. Having the right smoke detector in the right location is the best way to give your family advanced warning of fire in your home.